Hello everyone, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today I will show you how to use K518 Pro to program the smart key for 2018 Ford Edge. Now we need to prepare K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, and the two smart key to be programmed. Next, we will do the all key loss.
Plug in OBD communication cable. The first step is to choose to generate smart key. Select Ford Edge. Select after 2017. Put our key in the card slot. Click Generate. OK. Generated successfully. OK. Return to main menu. The second step is to select Demo and Remote. Ford. China. Edge. Select after 2017. Program Smart Key. All smart key lost. Turn off the ignition. Switch the driver's side door on and off once. Click OK when done. Attention! At least 2 smart keys need to be programmed to all key lost. Click OK. Part number or VIN code recognized. Number of keys to OK. Please send the first key to program. Put it in the sensing area. Then press the Start button. Click OK when done. Remove the key. Put the second key to be programmed into the sensing area. Press the Start button. Click OK when done. Number of keys programmed to. OK. Program complete. OK. Now, let's see if the key works. New key. Hit the brakes. Press the Start button. The new key starts the car successfully. Original car key. Hit the brakes. Press the Start button. The original car key starts the car successfully. Let's try to see if the remote control is normal. New key lock car. Unlock. Original car key. Lock the car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed the smart keys for this car. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more surprise ahead.